Alright, Nintendo just randomly dropped the 35th anniversary Mario Direct, so I guess I have to react to that now. This wasn't live streamed or anything, I literally turned on post notifications for the Nintendo of America Twitter account the second that they tweeted that out, and it's early. I'm sorry for the audio quality. We're moving house, so my closet's a bit empty. So there's going to be a lot of echo. So, yeah. But, other than that, let's just get into it. Also, there's going to be cars outside because it's school time, so people are driving to school. But, alright, 3, 2, 1. Alright, 35th anniversary of Mario Direct. I thought it was great. Due to COVID-19 release dates, yep. Okay. Ooh, I'm excited.
Hello everyone! This year marks the 35th anniversary of the original release of the Super Mario Bros. Game. And today, we will be announcing upcoming Super Mario games and products that will be released by spring 2021. Okay, here we go.
That's really close, actually. Right?
Here's a classic way to play Super Mario Bros.
Is there not
the original Super Mario Bros., which made its debut on NES in 1985, can now be played on this special Game & Watch system. A Plus control pad is included, so you can play the game smoothly. Since it's a Game & Watch product, it also functions as a clock. And in honor of the game's 35th anniversary, it comes with 35 little touches to discover. In addition, you can play the Super Mario Bros. The Lost Levels game art, as well as an updated version of the title Game & Watch Ball starring Mario. Game & Watch Super Mario Bros. Launched November 13th. The original Nintendo handheld gaming system is back in full-color liquid crystal display.
It'd be cool if they started making Game & Watch games again.
Multiplayer mayhem pounces on
Nintendo
system.
Yes! Oh, I love 3D World! Oh, yes! Finally! Took you long enough, Nintendo! Oh, I love 3D World. It's one of my favorite Mario games, if not my favorite. Whoa, Mario's moving fast! It's just me, or are they, like, moving weirdly quick? I just wonder how they're gonna handle, like, all the touchscreen levels. Or, like, the ones with the microphone. Because, like, with the touchscreen, you can just do what they did with Cap and Toad on Switch. Oh, this is crazy. I don't know what they're gonna do with the stuff you have to blow on. I love 3D World! But what's the catch? What's the extra thing they're gonna add? Please say it's Daisy. I want Daisy. Whoa! It's good games that I put before, but I enjoy anyway. I'm happy with this. If this was all that they announced today, I would be 100% happy. It looks so good. It's such a good game. Alright, the music's ending. They're going to announce something big, I think. This is going to be the big selling point. Either that or this is going to be a straight up port. 3D World Deluxe or just 3D World? Plus. Super Mario 3D World Plus. Oh. Oh. What is that? What the heck? I'm confused. Do you get to play as a Meowser or something? This is a new world. It's like all spooky and scary. Bowser's Fury. Okay, I'm interested now. I am 100% interested. Oh, I have to wait until February. No!
Flash in this competitive Super Mario Brothers game.
There was an online game that did that.
Welcome to Super Mario Brothers. With 35 players?
This is just a game that there was like an online ROM for this, and I'm pretty sure the Nintendo took it down.
Compete against other players near and far.
Oh, this is cool.
This online battle game.
Okay, now I see why they took it down.
Will be sent to other players' courses, but this also works the other way around.
That is cool.
Use the item roulette.
Please say this isn't this is free for Nintendo Switch Online.
To try to outpace your opponent. keep going
super
until you're
cool.
the last Mario standing or running.
We finally have a proper direct. I'm happy.
Switch Online members.
I just
Super Mario Bros. 35 launches October
exclusive
1st
Nintendo Switch Online member. Yes!
Only title and will be available for a limited time until March
finally.
31st, 2021.
I haven't even downloaded Tetris 99. I just realized.
What could this one be?
Okay. Odyssey 2, please. What? Oh, okay. Mario Kart VR? Mario Kart Labo. More DLC for Mario Kart Mario Kart 8 Deluxe? Or just any DLC? Huh. Interesting. Alright. I think I get the concept, but I'm not really particularly interested in it. This is pretty interesting. I don't think I've ever seen anything do this type of thing before, but I personally would just prefer to have a new Mario Kart or Mario Kart 8 Deluxe DLC. I wonder how this is calculated. Hopefully it's not like incredibly hard to set up. Usually things like these tend to have some issues. Even though I've never really seen a concept like this before, I've seen concepts with this type of problem. This is so cool. Volcanic and Mario Kart cowards. Mario Kart Live, all on the server. Alright. That's interesting, I guess.
There are even more ways to enjoy 35 years of Super Mario Brothers. From now through March 2021, you can enjoy the 35th anniversary of Super Mario Brothers in these ways. Complete Super Mario related missions, and you could receive cool rewards, including a special pin set. Pins are available while supplies last, so get started today and learn more by visiting the official website. Mario Kart Tour will be having a Super Mario Kart Tour event with special appearances by Mario and Donkey Kong Jr.
Finally!
Super
Back!
Mario Kart game. Historical
Let's
Super
go,
Mario
Donkey Kong
items
Jr.
and 35th anniversary themed merchandise will be available for purchase at the Nintendo New York store and store.nintendo.com. A 35th anniversary themed Ninja Speedruns course is coming to the Super Mario Maker 2 game. The Super Smash Bros. Ultimate game will be having an in-game online tournament using Super Mario Series fighters, stages, and items. A Super Mario themed Splatfest is coming to the Splatoon 2 game in January. Keychains will also be available as a Nintendo reward closer to the Splatfest. In addition, physical Splatfest t-shirts will soon be available for purchase online. Super Mario themed furniture will be added to the Animal Crossing New Horizons game. And there's more where that came from. Be on the lookout for the following Super Mario themed products.
Oh, Mario shoe. Mario overalls. Mario Monopoly and Mario Jenga. This is the 35th anniversary product you were looking for, right? Mario Jenga
will be available on our 35th anniversary website and our official Nintendo of America
I just still can't
Twitter
believe
account.
That they actually did something for the 35th.
Experience 4 classic Mario games in Super Mario All-Stars. This collection contains Super Mario Brothers, Super Mario Brothers 2, Super Mario Brothers 3, and Super Mario Brothers The Lost Levels.
Okay, but we already have access to all these games
from the
aside from the Lost
original
Levels
NES
already
and Famicom versions. Super Mario All-Stars will be available in the Super Nintendo Entertainment System. Nintendo Switch Online collection later today.
This better be the... Oh, later today, okay.
How is everything so far? The next one will be our last announcement.
Okay, last announcement.
Me, Mario!
Yes. Yes. Yes! Please say what I think it is. two things that I think it might be, and I'm happy with either. Please. Please.
Bye-bye.
Yes! Yes! It's true! It's real! Yes! Ah! It's happening! Ah! Oh, it's happening! Oh my gosh! I'm so excited! The rumors were real! Oh, what's the price tag gonna be? What's the price tag gonna be? Yes! Oh, I'm so happy! I'm so happy! Oh, yes! Oh, but when does it drop and what's the price tag? Oh, this is so cool! I'm so happy! Oh, this is just so cool. Oh, thank you, Nintendo! Immediately, I'm happy for 2020 Nintendo again. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, thank you, Nintendo. Okay, so it's just the three. I'm okay with that. Super Mario 3D All-Stars! Ah. This is so cool. When does it drop?
Super Mario 3D platforming adventures now in one collection. The Super Mario 3D All-Stars game is coming to the Nintendo Switch system. In addition to having higher resolutions than their original versions, the games have been optimized for a
16 by 9
experience on Nintendo Switch.
Oh, thank you!
Plus, music from all three titles will be included in the collection. In music player mode,
dude,
enjoy your favorite Mario tunes anytime,
that's awesome.
anywhere.
Finally, they're doing something.
Super Mario 3D All-Stars will launch on September. A limited run retail edition and a digital edition of the game will be available for a limited time until the end of March 2021. Pre-orders will be available starting today on Nintendo eShop.
How much is it?
So, what did you think of our Super Mario Bros. 35th Anniversary Direct?
Oh my gosh, it's only
As you can
15
see,
days!
From the original Super Mario Bros. Game to the latest installment, a variety of Super Mario games can be played on Nintendo Switch.
Oh my
In
gosh!
addition, if you include all related games, there are even more available. We hope you'll take this opportunity to play each and every one of them. That's it for our Super Mario Bros. 35th Anniversary Direct. We'd like to close with a look back at the history of Super Mario Bros. Thank you for watching.
Can't believe they actually did the collection. Oh my gosh. Whoa, this was just... Oh, I'm sorry, you probably woke up. This is terms. I'm just happy. Oh, can't wait for people to still complain about this not being a full Nintendo Direct. This is just so cool. I need to put Game Boy games on Nintendo Switch Online. That'd be really cool. Because I haven't played Mario yet. I don't think it was on the Virtual Console on the 3DS either. Mario Land was before Mario 3? Also, they showed American Mario 2 instead of the official Mario 2. Actually, I don't know which one they consider official. Mario World. I can't wait to play Mario 64 and 16 by 9. They aren't remasters, but honestly, I'm okay with that. I would have liked remasters, but I'm okay with having just these games accessible on Switch. Oh, Nintendo, you outdid yourself. Props to you. Mario Sunshine. Gross. Who even likes Mario Sunshine? Not even the good. Okay. Mario. Mario. I'm still surprised that they never did a New Super Mario Bros. All-Stars rather. I mean, like, that's just free money. I'm sad that Mario Galaxy 2 isn't part of the collection because I like it more than the first Galaxy, but I can't complain too much. It's 3 games that would normally be like $80 when combined. Actually, no. Mario Sunshine's a lot more than that. It would normally be like over $100. But I haven't seen the price tag, so maybe it is like $200. I don't know. Yeah, look, it's what people say 3D world is like, but actually, I prefer to believe that 3D land is the most forgettable. I remember nothing. 3D worlds are good. The lighting, the music, gameplay, ooh, I'm so excited to see what that new does. No Odyssey 2, but I'm okay with that. We got a lot. And I still have the original Odyssey, which I've been playing for pretty much forever. Isn't this just footage from the reboot trailer? Wow, that was something. Well done, Nintendo. Whoa. Wow, I just did not see that coming. Okay, have a good day. Wow.